Hello guys, welcome to our .NET video series. As a part of our .NET video series, we are discussing interview questions. So today I come up with different kind of interview questions which are inevitable in every interview. So let me share my screen to discuss today's interview questions. So these are the questions today I want to discuss with you people. So first one is what is a partial class? A partial class is if we have two or more classes with the same name, we can call partial class. So some in a project, multiple developers are working on the same class, but with a different feature. So at that time, at that situations, we can implement the partial class. Let me explain with one example. So suppose it is I am making it class area. So again, I am making it area. So it is now it is. So here we have given two class name which is same. So it is not accepting. It is not allowing to create with the same name. So I make it partial. Both are partial. So I want to create instance for class area. Area t equals to new area. So if we create instance for one class, we can access the members of all classes which are with the same name that the same name which we have created instance for it. So here I created area class instance for area class. So here I access the members of first class member that is area of rectangle and second class member method that is area of triangle. So we can get all the members of all classes with that name. So this is how we can implement the partial class in our project. So next one is what is dependency? So dependency is inevitable in every interview. So it is a main important topic in the C sharp. So first of all, what we can say if we can implement how we can apply the dependency injection in our project. So we can apply in three ways. One is method. Through method, we can implement the dependency injection, and to constructor we can implement, and through properties we can implement the in the dependency injection. The common lifetimes for registered service in the dependency injection. So singleton, it will create the uh, it will create the it it, it creates for once per whole project execution. One instance is created for all the project execution. The scope is it will create the every instance, but we can use every anyway in the components and in the modules we can use it. So coming to transient, it will create for every instance, and it will use for i- different for if we create per component it will different, but it will create for model for it is different for every instance it will create new request. So the next one is what is the difference between dictionary and R table? So the main difference between dictionary and R table is dictionary coming namespace is system.collections.generic. So it is a generic type, and in R table we can get from namespace system.collections. So in the dictionary we can use value key and value pair. So let me explain. Dictionary. So within Angular bracket, we can give value and key type or data types. DT. So it will accept these data types only, irrespective of int and string. If we want to enter, if we try to enter, it will not accept. So sorry, I'm creating in. I should create in the main method. Dictionary dot add. If I try to give, if I am giving int and string Mandeep, so it is accepting. But if I try to give uh, string instead of int, and it shows the an error. So it is strongly typed type safe. So dictionary is a type safe. And coming to hash table, it is not key value type. HT dot add. We can give any value. So it will accept any value. So HT dot add. Suppose we give here one comma, and it will ask it is also accept. So it is not type safe. So these are the main differences between the dictionary and hash table. One is it is available in the namespace, say collection of generics dictionary, and coming to us, it is available in the system that collections. And dictionary is a strongly type safe, and it is not coming to hash table. It is a not type safe. So the next one is we can here discuss inheritance, virtual, and override keywords. So we'll implement the we can should know the difference between inheritance, virtual, and override virtual new keywords. Suppose I'm creating one class, public class parent. In that I'm creating one method void display from parent. The next class is public class child. So here I'm I'm creating another method, that is a display. It is from child. So here I created two classes. So I'm inherited into child classes, parent. I'm creating instance for child, parent equals to new child. So if I try to implement which, so I got output from parent. So whenever we want to use virtual, so where should get I is also from parent. So when I override that display method, so we get output from the child. Override. So we can expect we should we get output from child. Let me check. Yeah, we get output from the child. So we use a new keyword here. So let me execute once. So where we can get output, we will check. So it is get from parent. So these are the main differences between the override, virtual, and new and inheritance. And the next one is what are the it is a important question in every interview. What are the solid principle? So as per single responsibility principle, it says the class has one responsibility, should have one responsibility, means the class is reading data from the database, and the same class should not reading the data from the file. So every class should have only one responsibility. And the next one is O. O means open closed principle. It says every class should open for the extension, not it is closed for a modification. It says like that. And Lisco substitution principle alpha. So it is implementing the inheritance. It is comes under the Lisco substitution principle. And I means interface aggregation principle. The interface are not big too fat, because means it is not big. So we should implement the interface in a small parts. So we should break into small parts. So it is easy. So this principle says that the interface should small break into small parts. And coming to dependency in the inversion principle, and higher end module won't depend on the lower end. So that's all about solid principle. So that's all about for today. In the next video, we come with a different interview question. Thank you for watching my video.